Hi, boys and girls. All right, get out your grammar notebooks. Make sure you've got a nice sharpened pencil because we have a couple more notes we're going to take today and add to the notes that we took yesterday. So today you should be taking notes on date. Let me check it out here. Oh, it's not letting me type. Date 1/12. All right. So the first line on here that is just what we wrote yesterday, that a linking verb is a verb that links the subject of a noun, links the subject to a noun or an adjective. We talked about that yesterday. So there are other examples of linking verbs. So looks is a linking verb. This is our subject, which is the restaurant. This is our adjective, which is empty. Looks is a linking verb. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to add looks to your examples because it's nice to have a couple different examples from yesterday. All right, including there. Now, what they want to mention here is that linking verbs work in different ways. There's two different types of linking verbs, or two different ways the sentence can be set up. So the sentence can be set up with a noun. The noun that follows a linking verb. So for example, right here, politician, that's a noun, it's a type, it's a person. Renames or identifies the subject. It always renames it. So we know renames means they say it again. So we know that the politician is the woman. All right, we're always renaming what it is. So we're going to write that in our notes. So when it works out, if it is a noun that follows the linking verb, it renames the subject. What we're going to put there. And below it, I would do bullet points if I were you. If it is a, oh, we're going to put an adjective that follows the linking verb. Are you ready? It describes the subject. So an example of that is the hike, that's our subject, will be is our linking verb. And then difficult is what the hike is. We're describing the hike. All right, so when we use an adjective, we're describing. When we use a noun, we're renaming. Okay, so those are all the notes that we're actually going to take for today. Nice and easy. I can't actually do one for you as an example, but I am going to read to you these directions, and I'm going to read to you these directions. And I highly suggest that you, are you ready? Reread the directions before you start. So many of you guys don't reread directions, then you get points taken off for silly reasons. So reread your directions. It's super important. All right, so we're going to read this paragraph right here. We're going to find the sentence that includes a linking verb. Find linking verb. We're going to, are you ready? Underline the simple subject. And then we're going to circle the word in the predicate that is linked to the subject by the verb. What that means is you're either finding, you are circling the noun or adjective in that sentence. Okay, so you're underlining the subject, you are circling the noun or the adjective. Okay, then it says on the line below, identify. We're identifying today. Interesting. We're going to get different colors going here. Make it fun. Identify whether the word in the predicate is an adjective or a noun. So here, you have to choose. Is it an adjective? Or is it a noun? You guys can circle it. You have to decide. Okay, down here it says, imagine that you are attending a big picnic on a hot day. Write a paragraph. That is 5 sentences. Describing the event. Include at least 5 linking verbs. And then they give you some more examples of linking verbs. So right here, I don't know if you know, wait, can I do, where's that one that, hold up. Is there a highlighter? I think there's a, yeah, okay. You ready for this? Some other verbs, linking verbs are seem, feel, whoa, feel, really, doesn't like me right now. Feel, appear, look, or taste. Those are also examples of linking verbs. You can use those too. Not only can you use those, and they give you them, but you can also go back in your notes and use all of these examples of linking verbs. There have to be 5. And in fact, for grading purposes, are you ready? I want you to, this is important, circle the linking verbs you you use. All right, that's it. So you have to have 5 sentences. Circle the linking verbs that you use. You have to have at least 5 linking verbs. Okay? Up here, you're underlining. You are circling. You are identifying whether it's an adjective or a noun. There's a lot going on here. Don't be that kid who doesn't reread directions and figure out what they're supposed to be doing. Okay, boys and girls, I'm done talking. Good luck. Let us know if you need any help. And that's it. I don't know where my other